Hello, and how are you guys doing? It's Onyinyechiikechiweta here. So guys, this video is going to be short, simple and straight. I just want to come on here to teach you guys one of my everyday hairstyle. I do this hairstyle virtually days that I don't feel like doing any complicated hairstyle. I just do this and off I go. So you can achieve this hairstyle in no time. Before 5 minutes you are even done. So please do well to subscribe, like, comment, share my videos. If you have any video idea, please leave it in the comment section and we'll get to do it. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. So to make it look stylish, I accessorized it with my silver bead so that it can be good looking to take out to anywhere. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, share, and when you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. There is a video that's going to pop up on my screen now. You can check out that video for yourself so that you will learn other ways to style your natural hair, and I will see you guys on that video.